thumped out of play by Juan Martinez. One of the Juan Martinez to Fortea. Here. And still. By the way, Calvin Andre, the player on for Marseille in that treble change. Two from Real. Up there beautifully. Mardi was coming in and would have got there, but for difference. So they really did scrape in.
Futbolista franco-sueco.
A few second cameo in La Liga for the first team last term. Daniel Yanez. Revitalised Marseille boys. Keep the run going. He didn't get the whistle he was hoping for. And that's last season. Real Madrid beaten at the hurdle there, trying to get through to now. Knocked out. Senior team managed that day. And were well beaten by Arne Slot's English champions. Juan Martinez. And after that second blown lead to lose against Ajax, they then lost 2-1 to Sporting, and then Martinez on the cover. Mehdi up top. Pulled in to start these games. Only one other 17-year-old managed that. That was Javi Bailon, who's not involved today. But both of them have played together plenty in the B team. So that's not a combination that should be an issue for them at all. But it is a very... Not seen much of